We all love coffee, right? Let's assume you have a blog related to coffee and you want to monetize your traffic. Jump to AffSync's affiliate research tools. You can do that and much more in a few minutes. Affiliate Program Finder. First, let's find some affiliate programs related to coffee. Go to Affiliate Program Finding tool, search for the word coffee, and here are 221 affiliate programs related to that. Now you can filter them by commission rates, conversion rates, and more. Next, Amazon Product Finder. Now, you want to find some top-selling Amazon products related to coffee. You can go to Amazon Product Finder, search for the keyword coffee, and voila! Here are hundreds of top Amazon products related to coffee. Want to find Amazon products from a different country? Simple. Change the country and search again. You can filter them by product price, affiliate commissions, EPC, and more. Amazon Topic Finder. How about finding some top best-selling Amazon topics? Search the word coffee in Amazon Topic Finder, and we have 58 relevant topics on Amazon US only related to various coffee niches. Filter them again based on average price, affiliate commissions, EPC, and so on. Content Site Research. Okay, what are some of the most successful coffee sites driving thousands of visitors through search engines? Search the term coffee on our Content Site Research tool and you'll find many coffee-related websites. You can reverse engineer their backlinks, keywords, monetization methods, website age, and traffic strategies, and jump a few steps ahead in your blogging journey already. Similarly, you can also find many e-commerce stores related to coffee just by searching the word. Of course, you can filter them too according to total search traffic, backlinks, the platform they're built on, website age, etc. Guest Blog Finder. Links are a major search engine ranking factor. Guest blogging is one of the most effective link building strategies, if done properly, of course. Search for the word coffee on the Guest Blog Finder tool, and you'll find 24 blogs only related to coffee that allow guest blog posts on their blog. Amazing, right? Imagine you can do this with any keyword. Each AffSync tool allows you to find affiliate programs, products, niches, niche websites, or guest blogs from a single dashboard. You can further filter them using various relevant metrics. Try AffSync now with our money-back guarantee.